Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning for all of in the last class.
Amputation.
Yes, good. Huh? Today is the new topic is the uses of orthopedic devices. We are all studying previously musculoskeletal disorders. Na? They're all having some immobility and activities problem. Yes or no, ma? Now for them, who are all to having immobility problem and who are all having amputation for the legs or lower extremities. For that, what are the devices useful for the mobility? For mobility purpose, what are the devices useful for the amputation patient? Okay, we'll see that today. What are the uses of orthopedic devices for amputation patient? Okay, here three types of the orthopedic devices is there. What is the first? Cane, walker, and crutches. Okay, cane, walkers, and the third one crutches. Okay, this all important mean they to improving the mobility and to reduce the depending of the other to improve the independently to walking one place to another place. Okay, clear? Why that this is all devices useful for all to unable to move, then who are all to having their paralysis patient like amputation patient. For them, this all the devices useful for walking one place to another place. Okay, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
There are the mainly three types: cane, walkers, and crutches. This all the to improving of the mobility one place to another place, then to controlling and reducing the depending of the others. Yes, no. Who are all to having some paralysis, who are all to having amputation, they are all to want to depending other members now want to go anywhere means. For to reducing that all independent depending to the other to improve the independent to walking mobility. Okay, first we'll see the crutches. What is mean by crutches means it is a mostly to made up of the aluminium. Okay, aluminium. It is mostly to developing to the patient mobility and to improve the some activity to if you they want to their physical needs is there now for they want to do some work some self the physical needs daily for there to providing to the some mobility. Okay, this all to the mostly to provide the physiotherapy is there now to given some exercises everything for that member only to educate the patient how to use the devices and the main role of the nurse to give the what are the uses and what is the needed for the using the nurse most having to the responsibility how to use the clutches and take caring of the amputation patient. Okay, clear, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in these clutches, mostly again to divide into the different types. 4-point guide, 3-point guide, and 2-point guide and swing point guide. Okay, 4-point, 3-point, 2-point, and swing. Okay, swing. Okay, first we'll see the 4-point guide. What is mean by 4-point guide? See here pictures is there. I will show you. For you see that picture, then I understood the. I hope you understand that one. See here different types of crutches is there now. Yes, no, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see here. What is the? This is the 4, no?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is a
Yes, ma'am.
yes, no 4, no? What is the 4-point clutches means? That is mostly when the patient use some weight on bearing on the both lower extremities. Okay, the patient is the to bear some weight in the lower extremities. That time, how the this 4-point crutches want to use means want to explain the first patient. First, you want to tell the patient. First, move the right clutch forward. Okay, right clutch forward. Next, you want to tell the if right clutch is moving first means then want to move the left leg. Okay, understood? First, you want to move the right clutch and then next forward step left foot. Okay, clear? Next one is the after same only. After move the left crutch forward, then next move the forward the right foot. Like that, want to continue the patient for moving the forward. Understood? First left
Yes, ma'am.
crutch. Left crutch moving means opposite. Right leg want to go first. Next moving the right clutch want to move means opposite. Left foot want to move the forward. The nurse wanted to explain the and physician who's the physiotherapist is there now want to explain how to use the crutches and orthopedic devices. What type of patient useful this 4-point means? There somewhere the lower extremities to bearing the weight. Yes, now they will bear the pain and they will bear the weight. For that patient only to useful this 4-point guide. Okay. Next we'll see the 3rd point guide. Okay. In 3rd point means they're having only in down 3 only. Now before you see now one picture for like in this 3rd point guide in they're having only 3 legs like. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See this one. How many points is there? 3 points,
ma'am.
na?
Yes, ma'am.
Like
3
like
points.
this. I am showing examples. Okay, in 3rd point, what type of patient and what type of ambulatory and what type of the patient useful means? It is the use when the patient should not bear the lower extremities, can't bear the some little bit of the weight. This 3rd point guide for whoever the patient is unable to tolerate the lower extremities weight. Our body is then a full. The body want to full body weight. The legs only want to bear now. But here who are not bear to the lower extremities weight for them only useful the 3rd point guide. Okay. In this also some procedure is there how to move. Before I told now 4-point guide how to will move. Here also 3rd point having no clutches how will move. One procedure is there. In this mostly when the affected leg want to move the first. Okay, affected leg means not bearing the leg. Yes, no? Their bearing weight means they will call the non-affected. Affected means the leg is unable to move, bear the weight. That leg will called as the affected leg. Yes, no? In this 3rd point guide, move the first affected leg. Okay. Next, both clutches forward the first. First, unbared is there now. Unbared weight affected leg want to move. Next clutches is there na 3 point. That next want to move. Next one is the non-affected leg means weight bearing lift want to move the next. Understood?
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, the third point guide is using for one hand, na, ma'am.
Yes, one hand only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, for that, first affected leg want to move, next the clutches, next backward the non-affected leg is there, no weight bearing, the leg want to move in third point guide. Okay, this is
Yes,
all
ma'am.
to repeat the when the patient is move the one place to another place. Want to teach the nurse. Okay. Next, what is the next one?
Second point guide.
Second point guide. In this, how to will useful for patient? What is the procedure mean? First, patient with there have the some weight. Patient there have some weight and to bear the weight in and both lower extremities. In before say second, fourth, third, they're having if not bearing and someone is not bearing now. In second point, there have the some weight both the lower extremities. First, what is the movement? Move the right leg and the left clutch. Okay. First, move the right leg and the left clutch forward together. Right leg including the left clutch. Before we are using only one time, one leg one time or clutches one. But in second point clutches, right leg and left clutch. Okay, want to forward the together. Same time want to forward the front. Next, move the left leg and right clutch forward together. Okay, both left, right and right, left both want to move the same time togetherly. Right leg and left clutch, left foot and right clutch. Okay, clear, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, the swing throw guide. What is the swing throw guide? This is mostly for all to having the paralysis and they're not working the lower extremities not there now. For all to having paralysis, for this patient useful this swing type guide clutches. Yes, no, the lower extremities is not working now. Then how they will move? Swing means moving now. Yes or no? In
Yes,
this
ma'am.
lower for all to having the paralysis and move the both clutches forward togetherly about 6 inches. Okay, 6 inches want to move the forward. And next, what is the legs is there now? Legs is not moving, swinging only now. What is the swinging? Swinger.
Moving, ma'am.
You know, swinging the children's is playing now with the swinger. Yes, na? For swing means for all to having the paralysis and for all to is not working both legs. It's not there no sometime. For that patient useful for the swing guide, swing throw guide clutches. Okay, clear? How many types of the clutches?
4 types, ma'am.
Yes. First, what are the types? Explain.
4 point guide, 3 point guide, 2 point guide, and swing.
Guide. Okay, clear? Next, we will
Yes,
see
ma'am.
the walker. The walker also mostly useful for the old age people now and who are to having some lower extremity. Yes, na? Who are to have mostly will seen in this type of walker. The oldest people na is who are to having more osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis. Is they're having stiffness of the legs in the body na, but they want to move one place to another place. Mostly will seen in the old age people will use. They're also they're having the 4 points. Yes, na. They're mostly that walker also is made up of the wood and aluminium. Okay, this is the mostly clutches and walker is there now. Before want to explain the what is the useful for the using these devices, want to explain the nuts. What is the uses for using of this type of clutches and walker? Then only they're preparing to the amputation now. If not there any devices means how they're willing to amputation. Before amputation want to explain the patient. If you are removing any lower extremities, there some walkers is there, plastic and metal, aluminum devices. For the using of this all, will move the one place to another place. Want to give the some education about the devices. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you want to explain the procedure to the patient. When you are using the walker and any cane and crutches, that time to use the full cloth and unskipped shoe, slippers. Yes, na? When they're using this all type of the devices, you want to explain the unskipped slipper shoe want to wear. That time only if mostly controlling of the falling of patient. Yes, na? If unskipped slipper shoe using means the person is unable to fall down now. They
Yes,
will
ma'am.
need the some support. Next, wearing non-stick. Then to explain the patient, after using the using of the devices to maintain the proper alignment body. Yes, na. Some patient is mostly to bended forward and bended to backward side. You want to explain the patient? Don't fall down more forward and backward to maintain the proper alignment body. Yes, now how the body is to keeping like that only coming now. If they were bending backward and frontward, like that only to coming the lifelong. Yes, now you want to explain the maintain proper body alignment. Then when they were using crutches and auxiliary canes, that I want to tell the patient fix it about elbow 30, want to bend the 30 angle. Okay, fixed about 30 degrees. Okay, clear ma?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
this all
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Then walker is completed. Next cane. What is the cane? This also one of the devices orthopedic. Na? They're using only hand canes. Na? Mostly they have some foot fracture. Only foot is there. Na? For them, they're having some congenital abnormalities in the foot. For them only using hand canes, hand devices. You see na?
Ma'am, please show us again, ma'am.
This is the cane. Okay, one of the orthopedic devices. This is the mostly useful for the hand, using only hand. Who are to having some foot ulcer, who are to having the foot amputation. Yes, na? For them mostly useful this only hand. By using only hand. Before the all the clutches using auxiliary. By using of the both hands. Yes, na? but
Yes,
canes
ma'am.
only useful for the only hand. In villages, the voltage women's using only stick. Yes,
Yes,
or
ma'am.
no?
Yes,
Like
ma'am.
this,
Yes,
Yes,
cane
ma'am.
ma'am.
using that to give support to the body. They're having some joint pain, and some members is accidentally to lose the foot. For this type of orthopedic devices will give the good support to mobilize the one place to another place. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the
Yes, ma'am.
orthopedic devices? How many types is there?
3 types, ma'am.
3 types, ma'am.
3 types.
Canes, walkers, and clutches. Yes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, the clutches is divided into the 4 types.
4
4
types.
types.
Yes, ma'am?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How will useful the orthopedic devices? How will useful the devices, ma'am? Any useful is there using this all?
Controlling and
Controlling and
reducing
depending of others, ma'am.
Yes, good.
depending to
Next,
what
to
others.
improving the independent mobility.
And
Yes,
development
ma'am?
of mobility. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
now. Okay, ma'am. Okay, next. You have now, you studied already in first aid, disaster. Remember,
Yes, ma'am.
emergency.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Again, you want to explain, otherwise I will send PPT.
Ma'am, you can send PPT, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes,
no.
Ma'am, explain, ma'am.
In one class, I will explain the briefly. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Some members is not remembering.
Okay,
No,
ma'am.
for that member. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.